Yo guys, it's Badger here. Today we are going to have a look at these headphones. As you see, they're a little bit more on the childish side, basically because the colors and the way it is made is just a little, I think, more childly. You can now obviously use it as an adult as well though. But as you see, it has like these cat ears and like this really light shade of purple, and it comes with all the adapters that you are needing, and it also has some LED effects. I will show that in a sec. On the back side here is the whole control buttons and all to manage what's happening here. And I mean, you can skip songs, you can pause, you can do pretty much everything that you would do with a normal headphone. Um, Interestingly enough, though, there's an SD card slot because you can actually save apparently music on here. I haven't tried that to be honest though. This is the LED effect. It's like a little flashy, and on the sides we have this paw that's lighting up. Yeah, and this is basically what you can expect here. So, I mean, obviously I could say something about the sound. The sound is okay. It's not really good. It's like okay, just like an okayish thing, like average. Not a lot of bass going on and stuff, but since they're super cheap, I mean, you probably should not expect them to have this great sound anyway. Yep, and I think we can call this a day, and that's gonna be it for today, and I will see you around the next video, so take care you guys, and until then, my name is Badger, I'm out, and